This is really good. I wake up in the morning and this is what greet me. I am in our place in Dingalan. Remember the recent extreme cyclone washed everything away. There used to be huts here, you know. There used to be a camp kitchen. Now it's all gone. So they are rebuilding. They rebuild that public toilet there. They're still working on it. And this is what the beach look like. It's dangerous to swim at the moment. So it's better to be careful when you come this way because the waves or the current is very strong. So it's best to stay safe. You can go for a dip, but not when the current is very, very strong. It's for your safety, right? There you go. Very nice. Yeah, this is just a temporary fence after there is kind of like a stream. What do you call it? There, Fongwan, I think that's the name. Fongwan. There's a lot of people died during that time. But anyhow, life has to move on.